Awesome. We're live. We're live. We're live. This is gonna be the last. I'm pretty confident this will be the last episode or installment or video or fucking VOD, whatever that I record for building a spa with Parcel, using vanilla JavaScript at least. Um, Probably going to I don't know. Like I was thinking about this all. I woke up out of my sleep thinking about this, like what I wanted to do. I want to add the finishing touches. I want to fix some data. I want to put some data in, possibly some CSS, and then it's done. And I'm good. You know what I mean? The site works. Refactored some stuff last time. Actually, the past couple days. Um, was noticing a slight issue on somebody else's stream that was checking it out. Um, Last night too, which is weird because I don't know why. uh, I guess it takes a second for the for it to connect to my MongoDB and to spool up a little bit, I guess. Um, so maybe that's nothing I can really do about that. But all this data here is all the same, so I got to go through the API and put that in and change it. Possibly add population back in since I took it out for some reason. I have to add data to some more of Morocco. Um, Not much, but a little bit more. I've decided not to add the entire history because it's just so much text. So I got to do Morocco, Nepal, Sudan, USA, and Venezuela today. Um, After those two things are done, probably clean up the. Oh, actually, let me see. Did I have Latin long temperatures? Yeah. Okay. Um, the example page needs a little bit more, some more touches, but not much. The contact page is good, translator's good. I think after that we're good, just CSS baby. So let's like I said, API data, fix that, possibly add population in here as well, for each country, and then honestly like I can probably even add some more countries, but that's a lot. We're already about done. So let's just for now I think keep it at 9. Then we're good. So let's do it. Kitty Sushi, what's going on? Sorry I didn't notice your chat till just now. Hopefully it wasn't sitting there too long. How are you? 30 seconds? Alright, cool, good. Glad you didn't wait too long. I'm making one. It's a project for my coding bootcamp. It's the last project we're doing. It's called the International Data Matrix, and basically it's going to be a place where you can learn about different countries. Uh, and like the history of it, and the economy, and all that stuff with some current data. So it's going alright. I think it's a pretty cool little project. You know, it's got a nice little filter feature or search feature. Uh, Documentation that I'm building out, whatnot. A translator built in. Yeah, thank you. Mine's going. It's going well. So almost done. Today's the last day I'm streaming any of it and like making videos of it because I put the VODs and stuff on YouTube. But since it's about done, today I'm just adding some data in, and like currently I'm doing the data here on this screen. Uh, I have to add, I think Nepal and Sudan, or I think I just Nepal left, and then possibly add population to each one of them, and then I like when you hover over countries it change. Yeah, I like it too. And the flags have a little effect too. I like that. Yeah, make it a little bit more unique. You know, nicer to look at. But welcome to the stream. Feel free to hang out if you like. I don't really talk too much, um, unless you obviously are talking to me. But usually it's just the music playing and I'm just thinking and stuff. So let me pull the chat back up. But if you have any questions or you want to talk about something, let me know. I'm down. Yeah, definitely does. I don't mind talking. A lot of times when people, once the chat gets a little busier, usually I am talking. But right now I'm just kind of chilling. You know, got the nice music going and whatnot. What kind of programming do you do, Kitty Sushi? If any at all, do you program? If so, what kind do you do? Professionally, as a hobby? What's going on? Talk to me. Oh, nice. Well, that's what's up. PHP, huh? Uh, People are telling me I should probably learn that next. Well, not next, but at some point. I know a couple people who used PHP. That's cool though. Yeah, I'm ready to move on past vanilla JavaScript. I'm ready to do my next project. I'm gonna do starting next week is I rebuild my old portfolio page that I made, which was the first website I made. It's pretty gross right now, so do it in React or something. I'm currently designing a new website in Figma. Okay, nice. For a project idea I'm working on. Yeah, if you ever want, if you want to share it, you can do it in stream if you want. Of course, not. You don't have to. Also have a uh, mine too. Mine's really bad. Like it was my first website. It was static HTML, and the only JavaScript on there was a digital clock. So now this is a full stack web app that I have on my resume. So uh, let's add population, and then I think we're good. I also have a Discord. Feel free to join if you want. It's not like super active every day, but occasionally we'll check in and share projects or ask questions or connect with people. Feel free to join it if you want. Um, Current design. All right, let's check it out. Everett Services, home about our services. Sign up. Okay. Username, password. Okay. Some authentication. Nice. What's what is? I don't know if this is the actual company itself. You already joined? Oh, did you join today? You did. Let me give you a welcome. Welcome. Oh, you're Everett. Okay, Everett. Gotcha. I thought that was a company. Let's give you a old shout out here. You know, general. What was it? William? What was something Everett? Daniel. That's it. Got you. Yeah. Well, it looks good. I like it. Definitely. I think I can see a contracting company or something use something similar to this. Never heard of Light Shot before. It's kind of like Pastebin, but for images, huh? Huh. That's pretty cool. I like it. I'll make a logo for it. Yeah. Cool logo. I mean, your name's not Everest. I'm sure you got that a lot when you were, as you're growing and whatnot. But it sounds like Everest. So I'm curious if you could put like a nice mountain, not necessarily Mount Everest, but a PNG of a mountain or something, a snow-capped mountain. I think that'd be pretty cool. But of course, it's up to you. All right, so we're gonna add population to each of these, and then because population is not, to add it to the code too. So unfortunately, the population won't affect real time like the other ones were. Oh, I forgot the Nepal GDP. Oops, thought I did that one already. Alfie, what's up, man? I'm eating a banana. Nice and healthy, yeah. Yep, great potassium. I'm still working on this project, but we're almost done. Today's the last day I'm working on it officially. Currently building up the API's data, so I'm going to add population to each one of these countries. Um, um, and then that's that. And then I need to add some data to each of these countries' actual pages. Vanilla.js, MongoDB, Node, Express, uh, deploy the front end on Netlify, deploy the back end on render.com. Um, that's really it. And we're building it all since we're using Vanilla.js and not like React or something. We're using I know React uses like Webpack. We're using I guess you could use Parcel. We're using Parcel to bundle the whole site up to make it a spa. So nothing crazy, but enough to get like start teaching people. Mhm. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. You streamed today for the first time. 7 hours long. Damn, Alvi. I was unfortunately. That means I would have been asleep. So have you? No, it's that. So I would have been asleep. That means it's your evening time. Yeah. Damn, man. I wish I could have caught it. That's a long stream. 7 hours is good. The most I've ever done is 8. Um, but most of it was playing a game and editing some videos. This is like years ago. Um, I think the most I ever did was 8 hours. Making blog app with Next. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. If you ever want to share the app, I'd love to check it out whenever you're getting closer to being done. You can share it in the Discord or in here if you want. At any time, I don't care. Okay, 6 more of these to do, and then we're good on this. Just got to make sure it works, and then we'll be able to move on to the next steps, which is more copying pasting, which is pretty boring, but this is the last time I'm working on this, hopefully. Yeah, send images in the Discord, share your project, or you can send it to me in a DM if you want, but preferably in the share your project section of the Discord. I hate that this keeps, it's just not the most clean setup here. It's annoying. Okay. Next blog, my blog, Django blog. Oh, so it's gonna have multiple. Are these in the first image? Are these specific posts, or are these an actual like? How am I trying to explain this? Are each one of these um, a different article or blog that you add on to? Oh yeah, they are. That's cool, man. I like the this looks good. It's a good design. Very professional description. I like it. Nice, man. Yeah, it looks good. Couple more of these and I'm done. So, um, how's the music to How's the music volume? Is it too loud? Is it just right? Also, is the music nice? What do you guys think? I don't know if Kitty is still here. Um, you are still here. Nice. The music is fine. Okay, cool. Thank you. Music good. Thank you. Thank you. All code on Alvi. I follow you on GitHub. I'm pretty sure. Uh-oh. Didn't pass some checks. What are you using to deploy? Versal? Wait, what is this? Yeah, Versal. Didn't deploy yet? Oh, okay. Oh, do you want it? You want it to fail, basically? Is that what's going on here? Stack use React, Next.js, TypeScript, Django. Oh, for the backend using Python Django. Some Tailwind. I got to get back to using Python. I miss using Python. Albie, I don't know if you're in my stream for when I use Python at all. Hopefully, your morning has been going well for you. Hopefully. Yeah, thank you, Kitty Sushi. You as well. My morning's been going all right, and I hope your day is going great too, or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Yeah, I used to use Python. I was building some stuff up in Python, and I would like to get into using it as a backend because I loved Python. Python was super cool, but I forgot everything I knew about it since I've been doing JavaScript, unfortunately. So we'll have to see what I do. But this is an interesting mix: Python, TypeScript, CSS, or Tailwind. Cool, man. Uh, okay, there we go. Local is good now. We would just have to push that change to production. So for now, we're good. We got populations, we got GDP and landmass. So now each country just needs a little bit of history about it and some possible CSS with it. Yeah, we're good. Also want to see if I can add an audio file. Um, so we'll see. You know what? Actually, am I audio file? Yeah, I think like an audio file for each country's like national anthem or something would be pretty cool to just kind of have somewhere on here. I'm also curious because I just realized down here you can see it says localhost 123 contact localhost translator. I haven't checked to see if those work on production. They do. Okay. I don't know why that's weird. How would you do that to make it play? I'd probably assign it like a button, or I'm sure there's like a widget or something I could find. I have never done it before, so I'm curious how I would as well. Jesus, what's up, man? Hey, that bug you found yesterday on stream, when you It's basically, I think what was like my database was just like not running, and it took it a second to like spool up or something. Same thing happened to me this morning, and now all of them are good. So, we are working on the last details, I guess you could say, for now for presentation. Um, so you did the same thing. It's like it takes a minute for it to get going. Oh, my sounds are back. Kitty Sushi, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. You got a bug with your to-do app? Alvi also is using TypeScript as well. I don't think he's using Alvi. Jesus is using. Uh, that's weird. Now it's doing it again. Very curious why that does that. Maybe it is a bug. I don't know. It was just fine a second ago. We were just looking at it. Huh. Well, we'll have to figure that out next. Alvi, Jesus is using the Vue framework. I don't know. I mean, I would imagine it's still some TypeScript, right? But I don't know if you. I don't know. Maybe you can figure it out. Whatever. Katie, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Welcome to the little lounge, the chill community that I've been building. So our data is good. Population. I'm trying to think. Let's see. Add an audio file to play. Okay, so you can do. Oh, that's interesting. It looks like it's actually pretty easy. So let's go to one of my country pages real quick. I'm gonna cover the chat up, so I won't be able to see it for a minute. So give me a moment. Yeah, it does. This is accurate to currently. Well, I mean, I would imagine it's not like, it doesn't tick up, but I think as you load the page, it will update to whatever it currently is. I wish it could tick up. That'd be pretty cool. Like super real time. That'd be insane. Currently, I'm looking for an audio file to try to test this out. Let's just test it out with like, um, yeah, probably a specific API. I mean, I'm using the Open Weather API for that, but I just need an MP3. Honestly, it doesn't matter what it is. Sound file. It doesn't matter which one. We just got to test this out to see if this will work. Let's try a zap noise or something. Uh, so give me one moment. Oh my God, they want me to log in to download a freaking MP3. You gotta be shitting me. No way. Let's see if this works. I mean, I guess. Download. Let's put it inside project. Assets, images. Let's put it in a new folder. Let's call it audio. Okay, so we got a clip now. So the guide is saying that we need to do so source equals uh, oh, let's close this tag, and there it is. Way down here, but nothing plays. Your browser does not. Inside the audio tag, audio controls. Huh. So it puts the audio controller there, but oh, does it need a type? What font am I using? um, this is Railway. Maybe like 500 weight or whatever you want to call it. Font weight. I down off of Google Fonts. Here, let me find it. I like it. It's pretty good, ain't it? It's in the chat now. Interesting. I'm very interested in why this doesn't work. Excuse me. It's linked. Source equals. Let me look up a better guide. Audio controller. Audio controls, source, type. Yeah, this should work. Audio. I mean, I guess I can take their example. Let's try that out. Hmm. Weird, man. Is it because no, it's on local, so it should work still, right? Yeah, that should still work. Very interesting. Um, audio control. Not working. Nope. This is a very weird problem that I'm having here. It doesn't make sense. Everybody else's examples are exactly the same. Inside an audio tag. What if maybe it doesn't need controls? Oh, well, yeah, it needs the controls. It just takes it away if it don't. Okay. Let's take away this. This is super, super weird. Autoplay when the page is loaded. Okay. Whether the author links the audio when it's loaded. Page is ready. Source specifies. I don't know, y'all. Maybe, I mean, there's got to be a way to make it work. I'm just very confused as to why it doesn't. Audio. Hmm. Can I do it that way? If I take out this source tag and do that and then close, does that work? No, it doesn't. Oh, wait. Let's try one more time. If this doesn't work, I just might say screw it for now, because I don't kind of wasting my time with it for now. Nope. Oh man, this is annoying. Well, these people put it inside of a video tag. Still no. Very interesting. Okay, well, that's a problem that I don't want to make for myself right now, so we're gonna say fuck it, I guess. I don't know why. Unless I can find like a widget or something. HTML audio widget. Alright, I'm a little tired of hearing this guy's songs. They're starting to sound the same. 3 hours long video. Yeah. Hmm. That's so weird, bro. I don't get it. I do the same exact thing as other places and it's just not working. I mean, let me try something and maybe it's just me. Let's try the deployed version, just fiddle with the CSS. Oh my god. Right, we were having an issue with that. Oh my god. Screw it, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. We're good. We ain't gotta worry about it. Okay. So now let's add some data. I don't need this to be regenerating every time. That's weird. Why is it? Hold on. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. So, let's pause the music for a second. Let's go through my thought process here. So, what the fuck? Is something wrong with this kind of file or something? Audio. Is it the file? No, I tried other files and it wouldn't work. Is it something about my site that's throwing this off? So I tried putting. No, that shouldn't matter. I tried. Delete this too. I don't get it. If anybody out there knows why an audio file won't work for me, let me know. I would love an explanation as to why. Not like no files are working, even ones that are imported from an HTTP a web a URL. Um, so the file does work. It's playing right now. It's in assets inside of audio, and yet, hmm, why won't an audio tag work local? Hello. Local audio cannot be played by using it in source and audio tag. This is because browsers are sandboxed and cannot and should not have access to the audio files. Solve this by adding a file input element. Son of a bitch. So this would work deployed, I think, is what you're saying. Within your audio tag, input type file. Wait, what? That one uses JavaScript. Using local file audio. No. Audio tag cannot play local. Local audio cannot be played by using the source. Using it in source. This is because I saw this by adding a file input element that requires users to choose a music file, which they can then be loaded into source. But what do you mean require users? If it's local, what users are you talking about? Huh. I mean, I can try it like that, just with an input. Let's give it a go. Let's just put it inside of time zones, I guess. Or no, fuck that. Underneath it, it's fine. Um, I know I paused the music. Let me get it back here in a second. Okay. Oh, I killed it. That's right. That's why it's not. What? I was gonna say that doesn't make any sense. Why would the why would it be like that? Within your audio tag. Okay, let's try it that way. I was like, input is like something you type, dude. What are you talking about? Oh my god. Um, I'm running out of API calls every time I do this shit. But you need the controls. So if I do controls, I think I tried this as well. Yep, same shit. posted this on 2013, but it could be useful. I have no clue. Play local files. A lot of people had this issue. Oh, it's a Google issue tracker. What the fuck? 2012. Well, the problem seems to be WebKit. No. For those wondering, I'm just looking at answers and whatnot on other monitor. I can't believe I have to watch this fucking tutorial for beginners. Okay, get your file. Audio, yep. It's weird though. Okay, I'm gonna try something. Let's just do it. Hold on, let me see. Very weird, very weird, very weird, very weird. I don't want to spend too much more time on this. I wanted to figure it out, but I don't think I can. I've tried every. I'm curious. Does anybody behind this video have any questions? Is it because I have it? I'm curious. Just because I have it in this P tag. Could that possibly be the fucking issue? Could that be it? I've had stupider issues before, so. Stupider. I think I'm almost out of calls, by the way. So I don't have many more left to do. Where's my other? Oh, same issue. I don't know, man. I could try one more thing with a different file, but I don't think that's it because I tried everything else. Let me see something. Audio tag. Types. Maybe I'm using the wrong type. Could it also? Well, no, it's Chromium based. No, same issue here. Which, okay. Oh boy, this sucks. This really sucks. It's such a waste of time. Have an idea and it doesn't even fucking work, man. Golly. This one works. Audio. Let's see, type MPG, audio MPEG. Your browser does not support this HTML audio tag. Oh, that's what shows. Yeah, that's what shows if it didn't work. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. I unfortunately, um, just can't get it to work, I guess. So that sucks, but it's not a big deal. I'm now working on it. It doesn't work. Fine. We'll delete that audio stuff as well. This audio tag. Okay, so next is gonna be it's a little weird. I need to add data for Morocco, Nepal, Sudan, USA, and Venezuela. And then we're good to push this stuff up. So that's where we're at with it. For anybody's still here. I'm gonna mute my mic and get going on that. Not the most interesting stuff to look at, but you know, gotta be done. Last time I'm working on this, so last day I would like to work on this. I'm gonna take a quick break. Just gonna stretch a little bit. Stretch it out, get some blood moving again, and then we're gonna work on Sudan and the last four countries that need history. I might not do a lot for all of them. Honestly, it just needs to be a little bit to prove the concept. So Nepal, I just did all of it because. Thanks, man. Nepal, I just did part of it because, or I did the Nepal's history, all of it. That was in the encyclopedia because it was super short. It wasn't that long. It took me like what 10 minutes to do all of that. But USA, Greece, Australia took a long time to do. Japan, all of those, like I stopped short. I didn't do them all. I did like a quarter of them. So I probably will do the same for the next ones, just so I have that proof of concept. So I'm gonna take a quick stretch here, and I'll be right back. Also, thank you, Jesus. I think it's coming along, man. We're almost done. Hi, Marley. I'm currently just kind of stretching real quick. I'll be right back. I can see the chat though. How are you? You're having a problem with JavaScript and Webpack, huh? That sucks. What's the problem? I'm not saying I can really fix it for you, but I might know some people that can. There's somebody streaming right now who might be able to take a look, but he's probably working on his own project. What's your issue? Plus, I've never used Webpack. I use Parcel right now. You're a beginner, so you think I can solve this? Well, what's the issue that you're having? I don't know if you have like a GitHub or something you want to share. Also, I have a Discord. There's a lot of people in there that are probably willing to help you. I'm a beginner too, man. I've only been doing it for 7 months now. Okay. Stretch a little bit. Yeah, what's your issue? If I do everything in file, it doesn't work, but if I split the code in more files. Oh. Okay, I'm doing a project, and if I do everything in a file, it works. But if I split it, you might have to export default. That might be a thing that they use as well. So, for example, I have different views or pages, and each one you export the default of whatever that is, a function or something, um, and then it works as long as you are importing that from somewhere. I'm sure that doesn't make too much sense, but do me a favor. If you have here, I'm gonna send you this. I'll send you a link to the Discord. Feel free, if you have Discord and you want to join it, feel free. You can share projects and ask questions about it, stuff, and people will probably reach out. You know, people in there are super nice and willing to help. Can you send an image in Discord? Yeah. So once you join that, you can. There's a section called "Share My Stuff" or "Share Your Stuff" or whatever. What are you guys talking about in here? I didn't even know this section was here. Oh, you guys are pretty active. Mo's in here today. Hell yeah. There you are. Welcome. So yeah, in the Share Your Stuff channel, feel free to share some images and whatnot. Somebody might reach out. Okay, let's do this one now. Oh, Jesus was definitely. Oh my God, Jesus, are you day mode? Interesting. Okay, now let's do P. OMG. Did you figure out the problem, or are you saying OMG because I'm talking shit about you programming in day mode or light mode, I guess. It gives you energy. Oh my God, I could not, bro. I cannot do it. Like, I, I don't know, but it's funny because right now I'm staring at this screen on the other monitor and super bright, right? But for some reason I just cannot do that in my IDE. I can't. I cannot. I cannot. For some reason, it's just like all the colors and stuff. It needs to be relaxing, or not relaxing, but very, you know, a certain color scheme, I guess. Marley, I don't know if you posted your question in the Discord yet. There's plenty of people that can help if you are still here. Also, doesn't look like you did yet. Well, if you are here and you decide to do that, feel free. Also, man, I didn't even get the. I got one of the sound effects earlier for a follow, but the other one I didn't get. Marley, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I don't know what is going on, man. Sometimes I get them, sometimes I don't. Weird, 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 weird. This is the most fun part I've had building this project: copying, pasting data from an encyclopedia. Luckily, like I said, I'm not doing a lot. We'll try to get to the history, like, of the a certain point in history for all of them, and then after that, they're just going to be cut short because I'm not trying to do thousands, tens of thousands of lines for this shit. It's even if I do have the time, I'm not doing that. H5. It's got two H5s. Kind of weird. Chris, I spelled Christian wrong. Krish. Alright, we're almost there to where this one's going to be done too. It's only 10, it's only about to be 11 o'clock, nice. think this one's good for now. With this one, Sudan's good. I think that's enough for that. Yeah, that's good for now. Like we don't need that much, you know. I could probably finish Morocco's as well. USA is again going to be super short. It's probably going to be like, let's see what they even say about the United States. Yeah, it's going to be a lot here, honestly. Holy shit, I might. It's so much. What did I do for Greece? Greece and the United States, because Greece's history goes all the way back to ancient Greece, ancient Macedonia, all that shit. So, oh, actually, no, it didn't. It started around the time of the Romans. Oh. Just two more. Let's just push through. Let's just push through, and then it's done for now. For the most part. Let's just push through. I'm gonna change the music up here. Lo-fi is getting a little. I need some energy. Let's get some, just some vaporwave type vibes going in here. You know what I could do? I could probably just start like do this. Still slow. Funky, Funky Waddle. Hello, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Sorry if your chat's been there for a while, just sitting there. I'm looking at my other monitor, but not at the window where chat is. So, your chat could have been sitting there for a minute, and I would have no idea. So I apologize. Oh man, how are you? If you're still here, a few seconds. That's what's up. That's what's up. Uh, Welcome to the very boring data entry copy and paste stream. Uh, I have countries that I'm making, right, and each country has a section for history. Oh, it's not running. Right, and this data, I'm literally just have to copy and paste it from like an encyclopedia. So it's a lot of that. So I'm doing the United States right now, and I'm not doing the whole history because this is just a proof of concept to like show, to present for my coding bootcamp. Once this is like probably the next section. So, oh boy, yeah, I think the next section I'm gonna be done with this one, and we have Venezuela to do, and then it's just finishing touches, and we're done for the project. If you're still here, Funky Waddle, what kind of programming do you do, if any at all? Getting ready to enjoy the New Year's? Nice. Oh yeah, it's 2 days from now. Well, I hope you enjoy your New Year's. Should be cool. It should be cool. In fact, this might be good right here, to be honest with you. I don't want to do it all. It's just too much copy and pasting. Like I did Australia, and there's 1,000 lines, and that started, the history of that started in like the 1600s. Do Python and PHP programming. Nice, nice. I learned a little bit of Python. I've completely forgot about it since I've been doing vanilla JavaScript. PHP, I don't know any at all. But that's pretty cool though. Displaying a disabled veteran. Oh yeah, thank you. It was an honor to serve. It was fun. It was fun. Miss it a lot, but those days are gone. Gone, gone, gone. But yeah, PHP and Python, pretty cool, man. Alright, let's take a look at how the US looks here. I'm almost out of news calls. Let me check, see how many I got. I have 40, I have 105 left. You were in the Army for 8 years? Nice, thank you for your service as well. Got out on medical in the same time my unit was shipping overseas. Well, I mean, you know, I don't want to say you got lucky or anything by it like that, but you definitely, who knows what could have happened. So, it is what it is, right? Yeah, I did 5 Navy. Green side. But it's cool, another vet to stop by. Always appreciate it, especially if you do programming and stuff. All right, let's check out local and see how the US looks. All right. Something's not working. Why aren't you working? Oh, I gotta start the server again. All right, let's see how this goes. So we did USA. How many lines does that give us? It gives us a good amount. I think this is enough to show off. Alright, one more. Venezuela, and we're good on this shit for the day. Did you know there is a military Twitch group? They are a really large group. I haven't met any programmers through them. Oh, you talking about Regiment? The Regiment team or whatever? Yeah, I'm actually the only veteran program. Oh no, actually that's not true. There's another one. He was a Marine. His name is Hunter Bite. Let me see if I can find him. Check him out too. He also streams on YouTube. He dual streams, I guess. Hunter Bite. This guy right here. He was a Marine. So I know he streams. I'll put his Twitch in here as well. Also, do you stream, Funky Waddle? Military. Oh, Regiment is, I think, maybe more gaming as well. Oh, they're both gaming. Okay, so it's kind of the same. 3,000 team members, holy shit. Yeah, Regiment is pretty much the same. It's probably got the same amount of members as well. My buddy is in there. But that's pretty cool. Yeah, I haven't thought about joining a team or anything like that, really. Pretty cool though. All right, last one. Let's push through it, and then maybe look into some CSS, and then we're good on the site, man. Deploy it, make sure it works, and we're good. I'm done for the time being. So I'm assuming that means you do stream. Here, I'll give you a follow. Do you stream programming? I've never seen your name. Let's see. Here you go. Follow. Oh, you game. Okay, nice. That's cool. Give you a little follow there. Let's close this. Alright, last one. Venezuela. I gotta take a leak. They reach out to you, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I haven't really got noticed by any like teams or anything. I mean, I just stream like my coding sessions because I feel like it motivates me to keep getting problems solved rather than being on my own and just like you know. So if somebody were ever to reach out, maybe I'd look into it. And I used to stream, but postponed my stream is working. Okay, nice. Nice, man. Well, I mean, you know, duty calls, priorities first. I get you. Oh yeah, let's kill this. And I'm so glad I have that. I used to not have a mute button dedicated to muting. Now I do, so whenever I sneeze or something, or fart or burp or whatever, we're golden, baby. Are you working on any cool projects, Waddle? Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, man. Is this evening job something in programming or just something to make ends meet a little bit, or what do you got? Feel free not to answer that question as well. I know it's a little bit personal. Oh, it's a lot of it fucking. It's a lot of it personal. I'm currently unemployed myself, so after my coding boot camp's done, I hope to find a job as a developer. We'll see. I had COVID and it kind of fucked up everything in my life. So trying to get back on track, you know. So I'm really putting everything I have into this. Two personal projects. One is a home built CMS that I can use to try and pick up a few clients for hosting. Nice. The other is a Twitch chatbot. Nice. That has gone through a few iterations. I have ideas for, but it's a pet project. Will probably never see the light of day. I feel that. I feel that. I feel that. Nice. I'm sure you'll find something to do with that kind of experience, military background too. Oh man, yeah, you'll get there. Oh yeah, Jesus is getting into freelancing on Upwork. Uh, maybe that's something you could do as well. Who knows? Even if it's just for the moment, you know, freelancing a bit. Jesus is another dev with a lot of experience. He also streams, by the way. Uh, TypeScript, occasionally, at least. If you ever want to check him out. Also, hey, I know you say you have your own server, Discord server, Waddle, but if you want to join mine, feel free. It's just a bunch of other developers and some people from my coding bootcamp who are learning, and some people who are more senior, like Jesus and whatnot. Share your projects, talk about technology and code and whatever. Feel free to join if you want. I had a link, but now I closed it. I'm not to get into the subject, but problem is in today's age, last type of person to be hired due to the current political climate. Interesting. I don't want to ask what that means. Still working strong, yeah. Kitty, I'm doing. We're about done. We're doing the United Venezuela now. All the other ones are the server's not running, but all the other ones are about done. As done as OB for now. Next, after this is done with Venezuela, we're gonna take a look at some CSS. Maybe there's some changes I can make, cleaning up. Um, if not, or if there is, and we do that, then probably just work on some documentation. Oh, other than that, we're good. So yeah. Next week, I'd like to start on my React portfolio app. Start learning React. Get some things going. Funky Waddle, thank you for the follow. My noises don't go off. It went off earlier for Kitty Sushi, but it didn't go off for you or the last person who followed, so it's weird. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it one bit. But where are we at with this? I appreciate y'all hanging out. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. My first time using it. I started it, but I haven't gone through with it. But I appreciate y'all hanging out for the last, or whoever, you know, I think Jesus has been here. Kitty, you've been here for a couple hours too. I know you came back at least. Appreciate it. Let's just finish strong here. Finish strong. We're on Venezuela. Yeah, I appreciate that. It's very kind of you guys to stop by and watch me copy and paste data. But it's not for the data that you're here. It's for the vibes. You know what I mean? That's the real reason you're here, right? It's for the vibes, for the great conversation that I give. I would imagine. It's for my I appreciate that. I do too. I like stopping in other people's. It doesn't matter what kind of dev you are. Um, as long as you interact with the chat. There's some people who just stream it and don't interact at all, which is fine. You do what you want to do. But I feel like if you're gonna, you should at least have your chat open. You know, some people don't react at all and interact with their chat at all. It's weird. Big backend API dev. I'm trying to learn front end a little bit. I found a new-ish glue framework called Inertia.js that is supposed to make things kind of easy. There's so many frameworks out there, man. Inertia.js. I've never heard of this one. Oh, well, that obviously wasn't going to work. Let's look it up. Inertia.js. Modern monolith. The monolith way. They should trademark that, or whatever, copyright that saying. Are these real groups that people have come through and looked at? Or is this pre-populated by the company who made it? It's interesting. Huh. Yeah, they really should like trademark that. JavaScript apps the monolith way. Interesting. Alright, we're almost done with Venezuela. We need to get at least like 100 something plus lines in here. Oh, it's not a framework like React though. It helps glue them to the back in an easy way. Well, I hope it works out for you using that. I haven't heard of it, but I mean, if it's out there and looks like people are using it, they've done so much work for it. It's got a fancy website too. Okay, where are we at? Alright, here we go. This has been the most fun I've had in a long time. Copying paste. I regret making this fun. And the craziest thing is, I have only 9 countries. Imagine if I actually tried to do like 190 something countries and copy and paste all this fucking data. I would lose my mind. It would take forever, to months, of me doing it by myself at least, and that's doing it every day. Oh my god. I'm glad I only did 9, but even 9 is a lot. I tried finding like a Wikipedia API or something that had this data, but it was very limited. So I was like, well, guess we'll just do it by hand, which is fine. Hard coded in. Let's do a few more paragraphs and we're good on this shit. And we can take a look at everything else, make sure it deploys the right way, and then we're golden, baby. Project, I mean, technically done. Even though there's a lot more work that could go into it. All right, let's see how that looks.
And I know because of all the hurt in my past,
Venezuela.
I tend to shy away from emotional commitment.
That's enough for me.
But what I feel for you is so real.
If you put it all into a database and built the backend to pull it and send it to the front end, you could probably get away with only one details page. Just replace the content. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I thought about it. I would. Yeah, no. I thought about it the same way. It makes sense, right? Just put all this somewhere else and load it per page. But I was either way, I'm gonna have to copy and paste all that data somewhere. So I was like, fuck it. For the time being, we'll just hard code it. And then when I want to do that at some point later down the line, maybe a year from now or whatever, if I do keep working on this project, I can literally just move it over, if that makes sense. So either way, I was gonna have to copy and paste this data from somewhere, whether it's to the HTML itself or to the back end. So there we go. Every country has a little history section. It's not complete, but at least it has something there to show it off. Every country has that data. Translator should still be good. Let's see. I know the translator's a little laggy. It's really laggy, huh? There you go. Yeah, translator's a little slow, but that's perfectly fine. As long as I have everything pulled up before I present, we're good. So translator works. Countries all got history, little CSS there. Um, Documentation needs work, but that's not a big deal. Example page. Um, all right. Well, we're good. Let's demo it. Let's deploy and let's see if we got any other bugs because I feel like we will. There's Venezuela. We do not want to do this change, so this can stay local. Add history. Oh yeah, I forgot I updated to README yesterday. That's fine. Let's do. Oh boy, hope everybody's having a good day or evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. Got another person. Oh, Waddle joined the server. We gotta give you a shout out here. Welcome. Nice, we got like 4 people to join the Discord today. And 4 followers. Hell yeah. So the community is growing. Oh, yeah, the welcome channel is literally just the bot saying hello or welcome. That's all it is. So I was like, you don't need to see it. Doesn't matter. So it's also just like a log, essentially. The role selection, feel free to go through and pick some stuff. I want to add more, maybe like frameworks or I don't know, back end, like what kind of back end you like to use and stuff here. But we'll get there. Maybe I can do that later today. All right. It's building. Also, we need to pull up render. We had a lot of failures the other day and yesterday, but we got it last night, so hopefully this one works as well. Build complete, good, so that's good. Let's let this, while this is going, I'm going to stretch. Just kind of walk in, walk in circles, I guess, in this room, this basement that I'm in. I can still see the chat though, so if you guys are talking, I'm just gonna walk around for a moment, stretch my legs. I will say, I got these candles that smell fucking super good. Um, and I light them when I'm coding. I actually should probably blow it out so it doesn't all burn. Um, but it's this one from Amazon. It's really good. Let's see if you can see that. I don't know if you can or not, but it says lavender woods. Smells really really good. Nice and relaxing scent, like concentration and all that. I might use it for my yoga too. We'll see. I have a friend from my last shop who makes his own candles. And it was nice. I have a cousin who sells candles too, and they actually really smell good. Um, my ex used to do that as well, but she actually, well, she made them, but she never got to selling them. Hopefully, she got to that. Even though she's my ex, I hope she succeeds in something that she wants to do. You know. That's cool though. I think small businesses like that are awesome. Make your money. Yeah. Oh, we deployed. Let's go. Let's see if we're good here. There's that. Example country works. Countries works. Okay. Good. Good, 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 good. Fuck yes. Alright. There we go. Let's check out one of my changes. Let's just use USA. There it is. Current events or current headlines. This stuff is not really updating, but I don't care. It works, I think. So let's actually test it out. Yeah. Cool. Alright. Well, I think that's it. If it works, it works. Let's go through a review of the site. I know I just kind of did, but basically we have a little search feature that allows you to pull up a country or countries depending on what you search. If I type in the letter U, anything that I have with the letter U in it, such as Venezuela, USA, Australia, Belarus, and Sudan, will appear. If I type in US, since it's more than one, it has to be in the sequence. Sudan does have a U and an S in its name, but it's not in the sequence that I'm asking for it, right? So only those will appear, which is fucking fantastic. If I do SU, completely different, right? So that feature works. We have our translator, which takes a minute to spool up. We already saw it work locally. I can, what do I want to say? Ever. So there we go. Ciao a tutti. Questo è un test. So translator works. Contact page works. You can send me. I have an email set up just for this site. Send me a message or whatever. Countries, we already looked at that. They all work. Down here, these links are all good. So we're good, baby. We're done. Pretty much. I mean, lastly would be to like. Obviously, there's more I could do. I could add more history to each one of these because they're incomplete technically. But overall, we're done. The back end's good. APIs are working. My own API that I built works. Only thing I will be doing, which is not going to be on stream, is just completing some more of this documentation that I want. That way, if anybody ever wants to contribute, they can understand how shit's working and what I want. You know what I mean? But there it is. That's the International Data Matrix. Finished. Looking good. Fine. Thank you, Albie. Finally. Yeah, I know. Took a while. Again, there could be stuff that can keep going. MKB, you're in here too. Why is everybody popping up as I'm like having my glorious moment? it was fate. It was destined. Um, Thank you, Waddles. I appreciate it. Man, so much work has gone into this. So many lines of code. So many hours sitting here, struggling. So many streams. Of me cussing out the computer. We were always here. Just this time. Yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, guys. Well, that's that. Last things would, like I said, would be just adding some more information. But as far as presentation goes and what I want to show people, this is it. We're good. Accomplishment. 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 Man, that feels good. Awesome. 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 I'm happy. I'm very happy that I finally got through that. Um, Now I can start focusing on my next project, which will probably be my portfolio, like I said. Also, I'll be doing like some stuff for my, I will be helping the next people in my boot camp. I'll become a teacher's assistant next semester or next class, and I'll be helping people out since they thought that I was really good and really smart or whatever. So I guess they asked me to be a teacher's assistant next time. So yeah, that is the International Data Matrix. The one man project made by Marshall Burns, aka Schoolie. Um, I am going to take the rest of the day to just play video games. I don't have class. I might do some research on some stuff too, but other than that, I'm gonna upload this VOD to YouTube to complete my. Let's see if I can show it here. To complete my little series that I made. Um, Part 16, I guess this would be. And it's just gonna say like finale or finished or whatever. And then I'm chilling. So I hope everybody who has stopped by, who is still currently here, has a great day, great evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. I appreciate y'all all stopping by for the day and every other time you stop by for the rest of these streams and whatnot. And helping me out, asking questions, etc., joining the Discord, following, all of that. It's been awesome. I can't wait to do this again for another project and make a whole nother like playlist and just make progress. So, um, yeah, I love y'all. Y'all have a great one. Take care. I'll see you. I don't know, Monday. We'll find out. Peace.